So I think, one of the, physics derives from initially what people would call philosophers, which is studying the underlying models of the universe that best explain how it works. And physics sits right at this interesting intersection between the empirical sciences that go higher up to be like psychology and sociology, down to biology, down to chemistry, and then finally physics that handshakes directly with math, which we think of as the language of truth. Because of that, it means physicists historically have been saddled with the most critical requirements in building models of the universe that are true, or as true as we can see so far. And it's really baked down to looking at how information or energy flows, and mass flows through systems. Now, we don't really think about mass flowing through a system when you're a software company, except maybe if you count people. But certainly energy and information do flow through your software. They do flow through your company. They do flow through everything that you do. And so I think if you can take the underlying ways that a physicist would break down a problem, which is to break down how energy is coming in or going out of a system, what equations are describing the interaction of things with that energy, and how energy is changing as a result of underlying interactions, then you can build a bottoms-up, or what people would call first principles view of why something happens. Now, you take that way of decomposing a problem, and it means that it applies to anything. So from an engineering problem to building a company, to predicting how small molecules will move under the force of Brownian motion, to looking at why black holes behave in all these super weird ways that they do. So I think it is one of those skills that is widely applicable. It's not even a skill, I would say. It's a lens on the world, or a way of thinking that obviously I'm totally partial to because it is my background. And actually, we hire a lot of physicists here because we think that they often make some of the best people at very hard problem solving. So, Mike and I actually worked in physics together. We've published papers in physics together. We met in grad school doing physics. Now he is one of our best research engineers. He builds some of the best software. He's one of the best developers. And Mike is a first principles problem solver, though I'm sure he views different problems than I do these days. So very broadly applicable, very important.